Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to enable dark mode on Tinder application. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and right now what we want to do is simply enable dark mode. At the bottom right, here's a profile-like icon. Simply click on it, and this page will open up. Do note that this right here is your profile. In case you want to edit your profile, you just need to click on this pencil-like button right here. But right now what we need to do is simply go to settings. The button's at the top right, simply click on it. Then something like this will open up. Well, there are lots of settings that are available to us, but right now we simply want to enable dark mode. We're just gonna scroll right down, and right here you can see something like appearance, and just below it, as you can see, there is light mode. I'm just gonna click on this button right here. Then it's gonna give me a few options. Either I can select dark mode, light mode, or use system settings. I want to use dark mode, so I'm gonna click on the last option right here. And guys, there you go. That's how you enable dark mode on your Tinder application. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.